and Cece. Look what Cece made a wind. Today we're going to be unboxing Picasso Tiles Magnet Tiles. So let's see what kind of set we got.
Be creative, be unique, be you.
I was going to open it.
Cece's very excited.
Open it.
She loves unboxing. Whoa, what is that, Cece?
Here, help and help.
Wow!
Wow, show the camera.
What is that? Picasso Tiles. Dream big and build big with Picasso Tiles.
Magnetic building tile blocks. Do you want to look at the front, Cece? Here, let's show the camera the back. You look at the front.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is 121 pieces. It's a magnetic building block set. It's good for steam.
Idea booklet.
Oh. Look at all these pieces. Whoa. Look at all these pieces. Triangles, squares. What kind of these?
Windmills.
Windmills. There's little toys here, little men. These cute little boys. Oh, there's a girl. A girl and a boy. It's a cowboy and a little baseball player girl.
Mama, open it.
Open, don't worry. They come in nice Ziploc bags here, so you can reuse them. You very much prefer that versus bags that you just tear open and you can't reuse. So thank you for doing that. Whoa, look at all these different colors. There's pinks, and oranges, yellows, greens, blues, and purples. Look at these. Oh,
Those are
what are those?
blocks. S for snowflake. X for X-ray, fish.
L for lion. What does a lion say, Cece? So very cool, and you can feel that they are magnetic. They're actually pretty strong, which is great. Very much snap, click together. So I'm very excited to build something fun with Cece. She's 2.5 years old. So these are the first set of magnet tiles she has. It looks like there's a little car, a wheeled device here. Mobile device here. We can make something fun with that. Yeah, so these are a lot of pieces. Very fun. It comes with this idea booklet as well. It's an idea booklet. Oh, cool. So yeah, so you can make all these different things. There's like an igloo here. There's a question mark.
You can build rocket
There's
ships.
a little, I think that's a bird of some kind. You can make a blimp. Blimp is cool. You can make a tank. Rocket ship. Cece is obsessed with rocket ships, so I think that's the first one we're going to make. So rocket ship. Ooh, and we can even do this little, amusement park track ride. It's very fun. Yeah. So what did you do? You
The
put
letters snap into
nice.
or the.
And this is honestly our first time ever using magnet tiles. I've heard about them for years. I've been wanting to get these for Cece. So I'm so glad that we finally got a set we could try out and make something fun. So stay tuned to see what we build. Okay, so one thing I did want to mention about this kit is that it doesn't have all the different pieces that we need to create each. In here it has other shapes that we don't have. So it does say pictures shown may require more than one set to complete, so you're going to have to look and see, because we don't have a pentagon, we don't have we don't have various shapes that they require. So that's one thing to take note of.
It would be nice if first they had all the things you could build with the pieces you get.
Yeah.
Versus just saying, here's a bunch of stuff that you probably can't build because you only have one set.
So we did find one, and we're going to make an igloo today. Okay, so this is what we made. We have an igloo here. Superman can walk inside. Oh, and Cece, look what Cece made, a windmill. You like your windmill, Cece? Does it spin around? Does it spin? Yeah, and what's great, these also have magnets on the bottoms of their feet too, so they can just stick right to the top. Easy. Whoop. Yeah, they're a lot of fun. You can get really creative, use your imagination.
Definitely want more boxes.
More boxes, yes, and these are just things to guide you, to give inspiration. Again, you'll likely have to buy more sets, especially if you want these other, like there's like tubes and there's like tracks and things like that. So anyway, we're gonna hopefully get another set soon. So thank you so much for watching.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.